We're back. Camera shut off on us. Somebody didn't pay the electric bill, I guess.
You got it. It's a rat. Get it.
Way too much. Touchy. Should be enough. Can't even see in there, can you? Keep her one in, that's all that matters.
And we can put it on the video and look on the big screen.
Yeah. Then we can see it better.
I came back to help.
Uh-oh. Okay. There's another one. Looks like it's in there. Give it a little tap just to make sure she's all seated. Looks good. Alright. Oh, it's leaking already. Got a leak. You've been smoking over there.
A little something.
Kick your ass out of here for that. Damn, you stink.
Sorry.
Where's the other one? Okay, this one don't have the washer in it. Okay, so we got thin washer, black turd, black washer, thick seal, gasket. We gotta make a cover yet, don't we? I got it. In here. There you go. Grab both. Production line going here. Scooby's got a new friend.
I got a new friend. Is that the 80-inch or the 45?
In between.
Oh.
In between now.
Start as a 45. It's not a shrunk down 80.
Could they do that? I didn't know they did that.
You can do anything you want if you want to spend the money. It just takes parts. That's all it takes. So this you want to make sure you're just below the surface here. Where's that thin screwdriver at? I just had it out. There it is. Hiding it from myself. So you want to have a little bit of room for the gasket to get wider as you compress it. Okay, where's this official tool here? Give it a quick wrap, that way we don't have time to jam in anything. It appears to be tight.
Tight.
Well, I know we use that board over there. Remember?
Oh, that's right, the custom-made board.
I knew we had a tool we made for doing this kind of stuff. We didn't need that. So, a piece of hardwood. What kind of wood is this?
That's white oak.
White oak. We did make a pushing tool, but it might have just been the socket. Oh, that works a lot better. That one's stiff. I'm thinking that O-ring is not broken in yet. Oh, that is definitely tight. That tool's a lot better. It hurts my hand. That's about the right distance. That was in there firm. Tool works good. But we did have some kind of bushing tool we were using beside the socket. But we make do around here. Got in there already? Okay. So how much to make these now?
These custom tools are expensive.
They are? Does that mean it costs more than 50 bucks?
The wood costs more than 50 bucks.
The wood does? They got wood's that expensive? Go cut a tree down outside. Isn't that what they do? And that works good when you go quick. Well, tool works good. I like it. Oh, that one worked a lot better. First shot, that one went down. A little extra. See, I got a wheel on it though now.
It's good for it.
It's damaged goods now. So you got 50 bucks worth of wood and 50 bucks worth of labor. $20 in shipping. Put that on your website, you can sell them. All right. I have to get my cut though. Valves. So everybody thinks I make 100% markup around here on everything I do, so that makes it $200 then, right? Geez, I can actually pay the rent if I had that kind of markup. Yeah, everybody thinks this stuff is free around here, so there's no bills to be paid in my business, right?
Who ever had bills?
Yeah, I don't know anything about Scooby. Scooby don't have bills. He just sniffs a lot, see? Yep. He likes sniffing your feet. Did you step in something out front on the way in?
No. Gosh, I hope not.
He likes smelling that. Unless it's his. He knows. He won't smell his own.
Dogs are nasty.
Well, he'll smell it, then he'll walk away from it real quick. That's how you know it's his.
He has to make sure.
Okay, what do we put? We're mixing these up. Oh, now it's got a washer in already. I'm mixed up. Okay, thin washer, black washer, big gasket. All right, I got a cover.
Is that the intake?
This is the exhaust.
Okay. So that the short one goes on the other one.
Push and tight. Good. This is the other one. That's the short one. That one's already all the way down. That one slips down real easy. We got production going now. Got some springs to go with it. We're out of springs. We only got 2. Were we making a 1-cylinder bike again?
Yeah.
That's all we have is 1? Oh, this is terrible. We're out of parts. What happened? We had more parts than 2 earlier. Did you hide them from me? Oh, customers playing games on me there. Okay, what about some collars and keepers? Did you hide those from me too? 1 collar. 2 keepers. Here, I got enough for 1. 1 more. Oh, 1 more keeper. We're good. All right. See, I knew we had the right parts. Scooby, you're in my way. There he goes. Yeah, you were playing games on me there. I saw that. I was on to you. Oh, we need a washer. Yep, special installation tool.
Special washer.
I'm just going to get to the installation tool. That's custom. This one's awkward. Yeah. Gravity's fighting me. This direction. There. Now I got more room for my hand over here now. There's that washer though. There's no room for more hands. It won't go in, you push it in, it falls right off. Okay, I'm in the valve. There, it helps to be in the correct part of the valve is the problem. There we got it. Now we're going. Alright. Now gravity's going to hurt me because it's going to fall in too far. See, told you. I got to slide it back out. Washer fell off. Keep it in there correctly?
It looked like it.
Good. Do the next one. Alright. There you go. There you go. It's better when you film it. All these special tools around here. I'm gonna have to make me one of those special tools for doing this. You back, Scooby? Is it in there? Find out in a minute. That's a scratch. Looks good. Healthy sounding. There we go. We have to use those special tools to get these to go out. Oh, look at all the scratches on there now. Jeez. Oh, look at that big one across there. Oh, jeez. There goes that 220 finish. All right, one step closer. Here's your motor. Is he hiding the motor from us again? Now we gotta work. We gotta grind that out. Okay. Rear one. These are getting heavier. Appears to be a problem there. That one fits.
That one's on.
That one went right on there. Looks good on there. Yeah, appears to have a valve train issue on the other side. Wrong direction. We don't have a reverse. Yeah, we can use that. They are connected. Or are they connected? No, we don't have a crank on that. Are we? I don't think I have a gear on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Nope, there goes the other direction. There. That's your overlap. Alright, so I'm just going to put this on there so it won't fall off. So that's going to be it for this week. So next week we're going to pull the crank motor apart. Go through everything. We'll put the crank together for real, and then we'll bolt the lower end all together. And we should get up to this point here pretty quickly because everything's machined.
Set one little notch.
Yeah, got to do a little grinding on case clearance. That'll take care of it. And then we'll do the, check all the clearances. We got to set the cam in place yet, but that's no big deal. And start putting it all together. So it depends on how late you want to stay, because it'll be probably about 4 hours altogether to assemble that completely if we don't have any issues.
Well, we'll do it. We'll do it 2 sessions.
We never have issues around here at all.
No.
Never, ever. No issues. But anyway, that looks good. One small step forward. So 2 more weeks then.
Yep.
That's the plan. Let's see if it works. That's it.